Hi, everybody. This is Craig Phillips with Quality Water Treatment at qualitywatertreatment.com, also known as Craig the Water Guy. Thank you for visiting us today. Hey, just in case you're on the fence about whether or not you want to purchase a water softener, I want to go over the many benefits that a water softener offers you. Water softeners are one of the very few appliances that you can purchase for your home that actually pay for themselves. So let's go over those real quick. The benefits of a water softener for your home. Drinking water, it makes the water taste smoother, still leaving important minerals such as sodium and chloride in the water that your body needs. It gives you softer skin and hair when you're bathing. It helps with soap lather and rinsing and making your skin and hair much softer, not drying your skin out and causing you to have to use a lot of lotions and stuff like that. It saves your appliances. Hard water wears on your appliances. It plugs things up. It's not good for the seals, O-rings, as well as everything that the hard water touches. So having a water softener, your appliances will last a lot longer with less repairs, which also saves you money. Uh, a water softener will also make soaps work more efficiently, which increases the life of your appliances as well. You don't have to run them as hard. You don't have to use as much harsh detergents and stuff like that with soft water. A water softener improves the life of your linens and clothes and will help decrease color fading. It will also make your clothes and your linens feel softer, which increases the life of your clothing, of course, and your linens, which also saves you money. It saves your dishes. As you can see a picture here, this is a hard water. There's a glass here that's washed with hard water, and this is with soft water. With soft water, your glasses and your dishware stay nice and clean, just like new for a very long period of time. So it saves you money there as well as giving you nice looking dishes all the time. Who wants to serve a glass of wine with in a glass like this? Rather have this, right? Yeah. So as far as the hot water heater, this is a big savings for you. When you have hard water, here's hard water here. The internals of a hot water heater, you can see all the minerals are built up at the bottom pan of the hot water heater. So it has to heat through all that mineral bed and that rock before it can start heating your water. So then, of course, that is going to increase your electrical bill. It's going to decrease the life of your hot water heater and cause you maintenance issues as well. So that's a big cost factor there. That water softeners will save you a lot. Here's the internals of a hot water heater using soft water. As you can see, you don't have all that rock and mineral buildup, so you can get direct heat to your water. So the other thing is, which is also a big benefit to you, if you look at these pipes here with hard water over the years, all the buildup inside there, you see how narrow they are compared to pipes that have soft water running through them. These are like new. This is not good. Your water pressure decreases dramatically. You start getting pitting and leaking in your pipes over a period of time, and sooner or later you end up having to replace them. Which plumbing, even if you do it yourself, the materials are extremely expensive. So water softener is a big savings for you there. So that is everything as far as the water softeners go. If you have any questions, you can contact us on the contact page on our website at qualitywatertreatment.com. Our email address is help@qualitywatertreatment.com. And you can also use our live chat on our website or give us a call toll free at 866-278-4130. And thank you very much for visiting and have a great day.